Hello students, in this session we will discuss about symbolic constants and type qualifiers. First one, symbolic constants. Now what is meant by constant? So a constant is a quantity that cannot change during the program execution. Here the symbolic constant is a constant representation that does not change during the program execution. In general, symbolic constants are starts with the statement /define. So, /define statement is used for defining symbolic constants. Now, this one general format of defining a symbolic constant. So, it starts with the statement /define followed by symbolic name space constant value. Let us example /define symbolic name as pi constant value 3.14159. Here the meaning, whenever the symbolic name arises, now compiler replaces the name with the symbolic constant value 3.14159. Here some important points. When we are defining a symbolic name, it follows the same rules as a valid identifier. There is no space between / and define. /define statement must not end with a semicolon. Symbolic names are not defined with its data type. So these are the general rules to be followed while defining a symbolic constant. Now we shows an example program for symbolic constant. Header files stdio.h and conio.h. Now we are defining a symbolic constant format /define space pi space 3.14159. So main program, we define two variables r and area with double data type CLR SER. Now first read the input as radius of the circle. This variable r. Now we are calculating area of the circle as area equivalent to pi into r into r. Now we are printing area of the circle. So in this program, when it enters into compilation phase, now compiler identifies the symbolic name and it is replaced with 3.14159. Okay. The next concept, type qualifiers. So type qualifier is a concept that defines nature of the identifier to the compiler. It defines nature of the variable to the compiler. So C language supports three types of qualifiers: const, volatile and restrict. And all these qualifiers are keywords. Here const and volatile, these two qualifiers can be applied on any type of variables, whereas restrict can be applied only on pointer variable. So at this stage we discuss const and volatile qualifiers. So first one, constant variable. A variable can be made as constant representation and this information is passed to the compiler with the help of const qualifier. So when the variable is defined with const qualifier, then the variable is treated as constant variable. Syntax: const, which is a type qualifier, followed by data type variable name equivalent to value. Here this value is treated as a constant value. That is example const space int x equivalent to 10. So here x is treated as a constant variable. Hence, later stage within the program, it is not possible to change the value of x. Now observe this program. Header files stdio.h and conio.h. Main program. Now we are defining a constant variable with the qualifier const. So const int x equivalent to 10. Now we are printing result value. This one, volatile variable. So a variable can be made as it can be changed at anywhere within the program with volatile qualifier. So if the variable is defined with volatile qualifier, then the variable is treated as volatile variable. Syntax: volatile data type variable name. Example volatile int x. So x is treated as a variable. It can be changed anywhere. It is example program for volatile variable. Header files stdio.h and conio.h. This main program. Now we are defining a volatile variable volatile int x equivalent to 10. Now we are printing x value, and this x value is possible to change, hence we assign some other value to x. Now x equivalent to 20. Now again we are printing x value. So this one, volatile qualifier. Thank you one and all.